Hi, I'm Dave, co-founder and CEO of Special Fork. Now normally you see me back there doing cooking demos for Special Fork's Video Friday. But today, I'm going to demo Special Fork. Special Fork is a mobile recipe website designed to solve your daily dinner time dilemma: what to cook now. The site works on iPhone, BlackBerry, and any other smartphone that you might have. All of our recipes are professionally developed and take no more than 30 minutes of prep time. Hope you enjoy. There are a couple different ways to find recipes on Special Fork. You can search by keyword, which is our default search, or you can search by what's on hand. So here in the keyword search, I'm going to enter a term like beef. And now I can enter a number of different parameters that will help refine my search results. So I can enter a meal type, like main dish. I can enter a cuisine type, like American, Asian, or French. I can enter a lifestyle, like Busy Mommy and Daddy. We also have Cooking for One or Two and Cooking Newbie. And I can enter a number of different special occasions. Now when we have all of our parameters set, we can click on the Find Recipe button, and we'll get back search results that contain beef, our main dishes, and are appropriate for busy mommies and daddies. The other search that we have is the on-hand search. And this is great when you have something in your refrigerator or pantry that you'd like to get rid of. So here under ingredients, let's say that I have some mushroom and some onions that I'd like to use up. Now if I click on Match All Ingredients, and when I'm ready, I'll click on View Recipes, and this will return recipes that contain both mushrooms and onions. Here are the results from my previous search on beef, main dish, and busy mommy and daddy. And as you can see, we have all of the key information that you need to know about a recipe right up front. So here I have my prep time, cook time, a difficulty rating, 1 being the easiest, 3 being the most difficult, and any tools that are required, like an instant read thermometer, an immersion blender, or a non-stick skillet. This way, if you know you don't have an immersion blender, you can skip the first recipe and move on to the next one. Now we can also resort the recipe results by cook times, prep time, total time, and difficulty rating. So let's dig into a recipe, and we will get an overview of the recipe, and now I can look at the ingredients and the method, and from any of these pages I can add the recipe to my recipe box, I can say that I cooked it and rate it, I can add it to the shopping list, or email the recipe to somebody else, and I can share it through Facebook and Twitter. Here's our shopping list, and by default, ingredients are broken down by supermarket category like dairy, produce, and grains. You can also look by ingredient, alphabetically, or by recipe. One of the great things about the Special Fork shopping list is that we also have selection and storage information for fruits, vegetables, and meats. So here, under this asparagus, you see that there's a link. That's going to indicate that there's some additional information. I can click on that link, and now I understand how to select and to store asparagus. I can easily go back, and as I start to add these ingredients into my shopping cart, I can start clicking them off so I know that I have them. Furthermore, I can email the shopping list and add items to the shopping list like paper towels, napkins, or orange juice. Special Fork allows you to distinguish between your cooked recipes, which are recipes that you've already made, so they're your go-to recipes, and recipes that are ready to cook, ones that you've looked at, haven't yet made, and would like to try when you need to do something new. From your recipe box, you can also sort by cook time, prep time, and difficulty rating. Special Fork has a number of features that allow you to personalize your search results. Anytime you add a recipe to the recipe box, that recipe is given preference whenever you do a search. So here in my recipe box, I have an easy Asian stir fry. The next time I do a keyword search on Asian, main dish, stir fry, or beef, that easy Asian stir fry will pop to the top of my search results because I've already shown a preference for it. We also allow you to create a profile. And here I can say that I have some dietary restrictions, that I don't eat shellfish. So the next time that I enter a keyword search for Italian or main dish, those recipe results will not contain any shellfish.